Right, got my passengers and ready to go to Philadelphia. Tower, this is Delta 644. I'm ready to go. Runway 12 left. Delta 644, you are cleared for takeoff. Cleared for takeoff. Delta 644. All right, takeoff power set, and we are rolling. All right, pilot, we got positive rate. Gear up. Oh no, my left engine has caught fire. Mayday, Mayday, Delta 644. I am abandoning my climb to 30,000 and I'm returning to Tidebrook Airport. Request emergency assistance. Delta 644, you are cleared to land. Dispatching fire trucks now. All right, I just got word that Lucy's engine has caught fire. And we need to get to runway 12 left fast. All right, we're on our way. This is the Tidebrook Airport Fire Department arriving on scene. Don't worry, Lucy, we are here. All right, let's put out that fire. All right, the fire is out. Oh man, I am so embarrassed. Don't worry, Lucy. The engine fire wasn't your fault. Yeah, you're not the only plane with engine trouble, mate. Me and Alan had that experience. Well, thanks, you two. This makes me so much better.